Hello everyone, you're welcome to Nicelight Media. So today I will be showing you how I was able to edit this particular picture from this to this other beautiful stone image. I was imagining if I could do something like let me say anytime I am scrolling Instagram, sometimes when I see those big photographers, their image, my head is always pissed off. I feel like doing something better, to improve my skills. I have that urge mind, to improve my skills. So when I got this photo from Encourage Photography, I was like, okay, since he give the picture free art, for anyone to use. So I was like, okay, I I have to use this picture to do something, to do some practical, to do some experiment. I was imagining how will I make this, how will I do this, edit this image that will make it different from other editors. I was just like, okay. Then one day, that's a few days ago, I was scrolling on Instagram, so I saw this big photographer. So his name is uh, Big H, yes, Big H. So I decided to scroll his page. So I was seeing these amazing photos. Guy is a beast. Yes, guy is a beast. So I was just like, wow, this is beautiful. So I saw one particular background. I was like, wow, I love this background. I love this background. So then I remember I was trying to create something that would match with the picture, yeah, that I wanted to edit. So I was just like, okay, let me make use of this background. But how will I make use of this background that will make this picture come out? I was thinking that night, I was just thinking, and anything I want to get, I'm always eager to get that particular stuff, So after I take this picture, then I download the picture, then take it to my Adobe Photoshop. I remove the picture. Then after removing the picture, I was like, okay, well, let me search for the particular picture to get this particular background. So I decided to enter fireflyadobe.com. So I placed the picture on that's the background on it. When I placed the background, I was not getting exactly what I really want to get. So I just like, okay, it's more like this is not background manipulation, but it is real background. Yeah, it is real background. Big H is really spending a lot of money, just to get all this background. Yeah, it's really spending a lot of money. So I decided to make use of the background like that, and I was just like, this is not going to come out well. This is not. But last like it was boom, yes, and I love the picture. I love the picture. So I'm going to show you how I was able to generate and manipulate this particular image that you are seeing right now. So before we go into this little training, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and also follow us on TikTok. So, and everyone, one thing about photography is everyone can snap picture. Yes, everyone can take picture. This picture is everyone can take picture, but not everyone can edit picture to client taste or to a strong piece of art. Not everyone. So, and many people are really busy, with different work. Yeah. So if you are that kind of person and you are looking for people to team with for your photo editing services, we are here for you. That is why Nicelight Media is here. Nicelight Media is here to help anyone who really want to team up, with editing service. So, and we bring your vision to life. Yes, we'll bring your vision to life. So, DM us on your photo editing service. So now, let's jump into this amazing training. We are going to, fill this particular image out from this background. So first, you trim it. It might take you a few minutes. Just take your time. To do it. So you right click, you will see fill on your Photoshop, then you click on the field. But first, before you do this, you will have to feather, let me say feather with 3. Then you come to your selection,
You enter your modifier. When you enter your modifier, you click on expand. Yes, let me say we are expanding it by 10. So you click on expand, you expand it, then you come to your fill, then you click on fill. So it will take some few minutes to fill, so just have to wait. And here it comes. So we are already done with this. So all you just have to do is to replace this shadow. You have to remove the shadows then, so that your background will look so good. You just have to remove the shadows. So okay, and our background is that fill all this place. Use high feather for this particular place, to you can say down. Yes, so we have a beautiful background here. So you can save it to your folder. You can save it to your folder. You can save it to any of your folder. I've already get it. So it all depends on you. So this is the image. Now what I'm going to do is I want to make use of this image. So I will have to get the raw image from my PC. Yes. So I'll have to get the raw image from my PC ground. So now you just come here, to take this, put it 20, then come to your highlights, take your highlights down a little, your whites, let your whites go down a little, then your black, let it go down a little, yes, to give the picture a good skin. So now you add a little shadow. Just put 50. Yes, 50 is okay. Then you take the exposure up a little. Okay, so all we have to do now is to trim our image out from this background. So yes, we have to trim this image out of this background. So you just use your normal tool to trim the image. So you trim. Drag that's your background, the background you want to make use of. You have to drag it, then place it on it. Yes. So after doing this, you can just let me see, remove this background, then come to drag you fit in your background on your photo. You fit the background on it. So this is it, and this is it, and we are not yet done. We still have a lot of work. So first you reduce your opacity. Reduce your opacity a little. Yes, and you say it's okay like this. 85 is okay. So now here we will change the color of the background. Sorry, we have to change the color of the background to this normal color. So here you have to come to hues, saturation. So come then. So you can change the background color here. You can see. So this is the color we make use of. Yes, there's a color we make use of. I make use of the first time. So this is the color I make use of the first time. So you just make it darker letter. Yes, I think. Yes. Okay. Yes, this is it. Oh, this is it. So now we get the color. Yes, but now what can we do to remove this white hitch in this cloth, this net cloth? So all we have to do now, you come to the layer 1, which is the image. Then you just I told you, if you need a good image, you have to take your time to work on it, to make it perfect. That's why some of the editor will tell you that to get good image, you have to take a lot of time, so you just have to trim the place carefully, so that you won't affect the remaining place. So you trim it this way. Trim. So all we have to do is, you feather it, just feather with 12, feather it. Then you come to you control B. When you control B, then you see your different color here, where you can change color. Now you change the color. Yes, you change the color. Okay, think this is cool. So you can see now we are getting there little by little. So any white place you notice, you can just do the same thing. All you we have removed the whitish on the net. You can see that it's very clean on. You can see it's very clean. So we have already manipulated our background. I hope you can see this. So the next thing you have to do is just to make the color blend. So you have to make the color blend by by using hue and saturation. Yes, so you have to make the color blend. So you just trim it out, then you come to hue and saturation. Yeah, you come to hue saturation, then all you just have to do is to make the color pump out on the complement the background. Okay, I think this is cool. So and this is the end of the tutorial. This was how I was able to manipulate this picture. I hope you have learned something today, and you can save the video then use it for yourself. So don't forget to follow our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and DM us for your image editing. Thank you for watching.